CIC KTV Tokyo Ikebukuro uses eMenu iPad ordering service. Now you can sing and enjoy an unparalleled smart ordering experience. The eMenu HD app provides a dark ordering interface, allowing us to easily browse food pictures and descriptions in the dark. The waiter shines the menu with a flashlight and asks you, "What do you want to eat?" In a loud song, eMenu HD app also supports multi-language switching, so that cultural integration is more perfect. Order food directly to the back kitchen. Save a lot of time. You can also call the special service. Mobile phones can code payment. Let's shave more fun at KTV. Go to CIC KTV in Ikebukuro, Tokyo and enjoy the unique charm of eMenu HD ordering.
優しいだけでは女はやっていけないの。
eMenu, the future is now.